Want to slide off the smooth and sleek finish. We say that like when we're talking to each other, oh, this mitt will slide right off the smooth and sleek finish. We don't say that, no. But your customers do. So when you speak down to their language, it makes everything much easier. This is a really important lesson because you have to know how to communicate with a potential customer. Now think, how many customers have you had or leads have you had that ask you what coating brand you have or what PPF brand you had? It's not that many, maybe 1%, maybe less than that. So a lot of people care about what the benefit does. Now, how did this service benefit them? What else does it do for them? Why they should go with you? That kind of stuff. They don't care about, again, SiO2. They don't care about the 9H stuff. Look back in your past conversations. How many times does that come up in what they're asking? Now, if you're presenting that information to them, how many times are they converting into a customer? These are some things to look at in terms of what is important to the customer and how they speak. Now, this comes across in your ad copy. This comes across in your messaging, like organic posts on your website. You just make sure that you're presenting this information in an easy way for them to digest this. Your reviews are the perfect place for you to get more information about how they're speaking. Go back in your reviews, keep reading what they have, see what they say about you, and see what they say about the service.